Good morning, and thanks to Jen AC for letting me use her account to show you what you can do from the Aspen teacher view. So when you log into Aspen, you should be able to see the pages, top tab, and then a class list of the classes meeting that day and classes that do not meet that day. The first step right away from here is a really good option of being able to send an email to your whole entire class. We are going to pick period A and pretend like we're going to send an email to the whole class list. Double click on here. You will get a list of all of your students who are enrolled in that period A class. There's 22 students right here, the total recipients. And now it's just like your email address and email account from Gmail. You can do a subject line, hello, body of the email, hope everyone is doing well. You can add a file, so any attachment that you have saved on your computer, you can attach here. You can also insert a link for any Google documents that you would want to share with your entire class. Once again, make sure you have 22 students in that class. All 22 students are getting that email. And these should be unclicked if you don't want the email to go to their parents and to the students' teachers, which I do hope that you don't want to send the whole email list something. So this is a very handy dandy tool that you can send a quick email to the whole class and update them on whatever you need to, and then you press send. Right now I'm going to cancel because I'm not sending an email on behalf of Jenna AC. However, you press send, and once you do, you get a copy of the email in your own mailbox. I hope this was helpful. I'll be back soon.